Is there more pain in store for the rupee? To answer that and more, let's bring in on board a special guest joining in this evening on the show, Jamal Mecklai, the currency guru, joining in from Mecklai Financial Services. Good evening, Jamal. Thanks a lot for joining us. The rupee has taken quite a pounding today, tracking what we see as seeing happen in the other emerging markets like Argentina especially. Do you see a major impact on the rupee even going forward?
Well, I don't think it's going to be as serious as it was last year. I mean, there are several reasons. One, it appears that this has really been triggered by a major problem in Argentina. The fact is that, the world appears to be a little bit better off than it was 6-8 months ago. Secondly, Indian current account deficit is in a little better control. Thirdly, market seems to be giving Dr. Rajan, a little benefit of the doubt. So I don't think we're going to see the kind of rout that we saw before. I mean, what he's done also since he's come in is he's collected quite a bit of money in the reserves. So I think in a much better position. Now, if the world falls apart, there's nothing you can do, but it doesn't look really like it's falling apart right now.
Well, that's exactly what the government would like us to believe because, earlier on in the day, you had the Economic Affairs Secretary, Arvind Mairam, try to soothe nerves and say that he believes the fundamentals of the economy are strong and that in turn should help slide really, or rather help stem the slide in the rupee. Do you buy that?
Well, first of all, I would never say our fundamentals are strong. But what I would say is they are stronger than they were 6 months ago. And I think in any case, even that slide was overdone, right? I mean, fell to 68 and came back. I don't see anything like that happening now. I think, like I said, we still have to see, is this really going to be a major, a global wind, or is it just a little bubble? So we need to see how that pans out. But I don't think there's any question that we are stronger than we were before, and so the impact will be less.
Jamal, what are you expecting from RBI tomorrow? RBI Governor's hawkish comments about inflation and the Urjit panel, Patel panel report recently have added an element of drama as far as the entire space is concerned. So what are your expectations?
I think he'll sit tight. I don't think he'll raise rates. I don't think he'll cut rates. I think he'll probably hold things as they are.
All right, Mr. Mecklai, thanks a bunch for taking time out for us. Always a pleasure to get in your viewpoint.